Alright everybody, welcome back to How To Knots. This is ABOK 162, the Axle Hitch. I'm going to show you how to tow something. You know, you might not have a ratchet strap, you might have a rope, no tow truck, I don't know, whatever it is. It creates two loops, it goes around an axle, it slides, less friction, and then we have a bowline tying off your working end there so it doesn't go anywhere. In Ashley's Book of Knots, it says that the bowline can get jammed with a lot of tension, and if you're pulling car to big machinery around an axle, whatever, 100% that bowline's going to get kind of jammed up. It says to use the midshipman's hitch instead. I've put a little torque with my hands on that, and then it doesn't kind of react well. So I'm going to show you a variation, kind of a bowline on a bite. If you already know what that is, then you'll know it's kind of like a little quick release there. So that's what I would suggest. But let's get into tying this, what it kind of is, how it works, and yeah, let's just get into it. All right, ABOK 162 axle hitch. Here we go. We're going to make a bite. I'm going to go around our axle there. No biggie. Okay, and we're just going to take it like this. All right, right side, standing end, left side, working end. Remember that. And then we're going to take our working end there. We're going to go over standing end. We're going to go behind and through, and then we're going to do it again. So we're going to do that twice. So I'm going to go over, around, through. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to repeat that one more time. Right around, and boom. All right, there is the base of the axle hitch. Super easy. It's got two loops, go around your axle. You can go around two different points there if you have two anchor points and not just one axle, and then it creates your standing end, your working end, and then our standing end here. And then kind of you tie it off with the bowline. So I'll show you that, and then I'll show you the variation I like. All right, now that I got everything out of the way with, let's start with the traditional bowline, which is mentioned in Ashley's Book of Knots. So I'm going to start with the loop. As you know, you're going to come through that loop. We're going to come around the standing end from the back, and we're going to go over and then back through that loop there. All right, traditional bowline, there you go. I'll tighten that snug. And then I'm going to pull, and it's going to create that tension on that bowline there when I pull. Okay, and then yeah, it can get jammed, obviously. Car to car, it's going to be a lot of weight, and it's probably going to jam up. So what we're going to do, because obviously you're going to want to get it undone after you pull your car wherever you're going, or machinery or whatever, I'm going to tie a bite on this bowline. So what that looks like is kind of just the same thing here. So I'm just going to pull that out. We're going to finish the knot again, but instead I'm going to come here, I'm going to bite, and then I'm going to go through. So I'm going to go like that, okay? And then I'm going to tighten up, all right? Obviously, you're going to want a little bit more of a working end, but just for this small example, I'm going to show you like that, okay? So that's what it looks like. And then I'm going to put a lot of tension, whatever, just like that. And then once you're ready to go, you just pull on that quick release there, and you're done, okay? In Ashley's Book of Knots, it mentions using the midshipman's hitch, which would look something like this. We'd go over, and then we'd go over again, and then we'd come around and then back through that loop. But when you put too much tension, it kind of snugs up like this, and then it's going to snug up those two axle loops, and it creates too much friction, I think, and I wouldn't think that it would spin very well. So that's why we're going to avoid that. I'd say go for the traditional bowline, and then just add a little bite there, and just keep a lot of room on your working end, kind of, just so you can kind of quick release that when you're done, or that just so you have a good amount of working end in case it does kind of try and pull some slack. But traditional bowline if you don't need to get it undone, but I don't see a scenario where that would happen. Yeah, but that was ABOK 162, the axle hitch, kind of with that adjustment I made there. Ashley's Book of Knots just mentions that kind of stuff, but it doesn't mention the bite on the bowline. So try that out if you're ever going to tie the axle hitch so that you can kind of get it undone. But yeah, that's the tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment anything else you want to see, and I'll see you in the next video.